How to add an Instagram feed to your Squarespace website. For this, we're gonna use an external website. It's going to be called Elfsite. I'm on one of their pages. It's called How to Add Instagram Feed to Squarespace. Just scroll down and you'll see down here. Just press View Widget. And I'm going to edit this one. And once here, you'll see this embedded template. You can make this into a public account or hashtag. For this, I'm going to use public accounts. And for the Instagram source, you can add your own Instagram feed, of course, but for my example, I'm just going to use Harry Styles Instagram. I'll add that. It'll show his Instagram right here. After you're done with this and done with sorting, just press publish. Now, view plans. You can use a free one if you want. Close. Install. Press copy code. After that, go to your Squarespace website. I'll pick this template to show you as an example. I'll close this. Once here, for example, if I want to put the Instagram feed right down here, let's press edit. After that, just press add a section. It'll be a blank section. Now add block and code. Double click this and paste the code you were given from before. Just press preview in safe mode. And as you can see here, there's his website. If you want to change how it looks, just let's extend this. And then exit save preview and then preview it again. And now it'll be stretched out according to the way you configure this size. And that is how you add an Instagram feed to your Squarespace website. It's as easy as that.